Hello students, welcome to Spectra Education Academy. In this video, I am going to explain numericals on apparent weight of a person in lift. So this is the first question. The apparent weight of a man inside a lift moving up with a certain acceleration is 900 newtons. When the lift is coming down with the same acceleration, apparent weight is found to be 300 newtons. So we need to find mass of the man. So just now we have written that apparent weight or tension while going upwards, T is equal to W apparent, that is equals to T is equal to our apparent weight is equal to, while going upwards, we have written that M of G plus A. Now while coming downwards, T is equal to apparent weight is equal to M of G minus A. Now in the question they mentioned that while moving upwards, apparent weight is 900 newtons. So 900 is equal to M of G plus A. Next, second case, while moving downwards, apparent weight observed as 300 newtons is equal to M of G minus A. So let us divide first with equation 1 and equation 2. We'll get acceleration. So therefore 900 by 300 is equal to, this M and M get cancelled. You will get G plus A by G minus A. Now on cross multiplying, 9G minus 9A is equal to 3G plus 3A. So take this side, take this side. So therefore 9G minus 3G is 6G. 9A plus 3A will be 12A. Then this will be 60. You can say 6 into G value 10. 6 into 10 is 60. 60 by 12. So A will be equal to 5 meter per second square. So lift might be moving with this much acceleration. Next. So you can substitute this in any equation. So 900 is equal to M of G. G is 1, G plus A. A is 5. So M, this 10, G is 10 plus 5, 15. So M into 15, this is M into 15. So on other side you have 900, 15, 6 is a. So mass of the person in the lift will be 60 kg. Second option is correct. Let us move to the next question. A 60 kg man is inside a lift which is moving up with an acceleration of 2.45 meter per second square. The apparent percentage change in his weight. When lift is moving upwards, apparent weight itself is tension, M of G plus A. And mention that mass is equal to 60 kg. Anyhow, G is 10. Acceleration due to gravity is acceleration due to gravity is 10. Acceleration with which lift is moving upwards is 2.45. Now this is 12.45 into 16 into 60. So try to calculate this. This is apparent weight while moving upwards. Calculate this. This will be, you can cancel this one 0 with a point. So it will be 124.5 with 6, 30. So this is going to be 24, 27. This is going to be 12, 14. This is going to be 6, 7. So it will be 747. Now apparent percentage change. So when lift is stationary, so this will be mg only. This will be mg only. Now m is 60 kg and g is 10. It will be 600. So therefore, how to find out percentage change? Apparent weight going upwards minus mg divided by mg. So therefore, this is going to be 747 minus 600 divided by 600. So this is going to be 147 with 600. When percentage question is being asked, it will be with 100. Now 147, 14700 divided by 600. So you can cancel this and this. So 147 by 6. If G value is taken here 10, so you'll get 150. 150 by 6 is 25. 25% is the correct answer. Second option is correct. Let us move to the next question. When an empty lift is moving down with an acceleration g by 4, the tension in the cable is 9,000 newtons. When the lift is moving up with an acceleration g by 3, we need to find out the tension in the cable. Okay, so while moving down, tension is also equal to apparent weight. You have written that m of g minus a. While moving up, so this is down. While moving up, you have written that apparent weight is equal to m of g plus a. Now mention that while moving down, tension is 9,000. Okay, then first we need to find out mass of the lift. So g is 10. Or okay, you can continue, right? G minus g by 4. So therefore, this is going to be 4g minus g. So m into 3g by 4. So you can cancel, if you treat g is 10, you can cancel 1 0. Then this will be 3 with 30 times. Then this is going to be mass of the lift is going to be 120 kg. 4 into 30. Now making use of this, we need to find out tension in the cable while going upwards. So therefore, T is equal to mass of the lift is 120, G is 10, acceleration mentioned as 10 G by 3. So G by 3 means you can make it 10 by 3. So this is going to be 30 plus 10, 40. So 120 into 40 by 3. So this is going to be 40 times. So answer will be equal to 1600 newtons. So 16,000 it will be. Here it is 9,000, not 900. So this will be 1200. So this will be 1200. One more zero will come extra. So the answer is 16,000 newtons. We'll continue with the next question. A fireman wants to slide down a rope. The braking load for the rope is 3/4 of the weight of the man. With what minimum acceleration should the fireman slide down? So take acceleration due to gravity is g. So while moving downwards, just now we have taken that W apparent moving down is equal to mg minus ma, or you can also write taking out common mg minus a. So while moving down, they mentioned that apparent weight or tension or braking load, it will be 3/4 of the weight of the man. So this will be apparent weight is 3/4 of weight of the man. So this is mg minus ma. Next, so you can cancel m both sides of the equations. So take a g left side. 3 by 4g minus g is equal to minus a. This will be 4g minus 3g. So minus g by 4 is equal to minus a. Cancel both sides. So answer is a is equal to g by 4. So the minimum acceleration of the fireman is g by 4. Second option is correct. In my next video, I'll continue with how the apparent will become normal reaction when there is a person inside the lift. Thank you very much for watching my video, but don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and relatives.